Hello guys, hope you are fine. This video is a part 9 of series of figures of speech, in which we will learn about new literary term, which is anaphora. If you want to revise all previous parts, I am attaching the links in description. So, let's start. What is anaphora? Anaphora is a rhetorical and literary device, where a word, or phrase, is intentionally repeated, at the beginning of successive clauses, sentences, or lines. Anaphora is commonly used in speeches, poetry, and prose, to engage the audience, and make the message more memorable. Now, let's discuss it with the help of examples, in literature, poetry, and in speeches. First of all, examples in literature. A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. Here, repetition of it was highlights the contrasts of the period. 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. It was the year they shot the priests. It was the year the rains never stopped. It was the year the war dragged on without an end in sight. It was the year that everything seemed to fall apart. Repetition of it was the year evokes the chaos and hopelessness of the time. Beloved by Toni Morrison. 124 was spiteful, full of a baby's venom. 124 was loud. 124 was quiet. Repetition of 124 highlights the haunting presence of the house and its past. Now, let's discuss the examples of anaphora in speeches. I Have a Dream by Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream that one day. I have a dream that my 4 little children. I have a dream today. Repetition of I have a dream emphasizes his vision. Gettysburg Address by Abraham Lincoln. We cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. Repetition of we cannot stresses the solemnity of the occasion. Winston Churchill's speech, 1940. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills. Repetition of we shall fight shows resilience. Now, we will discuss the examples of anaphora in poetry. O Captain, My Captain, by Walt Whitman. For you bouquets and ribboned wreaths, for you the shores a crowding, for you they call, the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Repetition of for you reflects admiration and grief. Annabel Lee, by Edgar Allan Poe. For the moon never beams without bringing me dreams of the beautiful Annabel Lee, and the stars never rise but I feel the bright eyes of the beautiful Annabel Lee. Repetition of the beautiful Annabel Lee emphasizes the speaker's deep love and mourning. The Tiger, by William Blake. What the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp? Repetition of what questions the creation of the tiger and its terrifying beauty. So, what we learned in today's lesson is anaphora and its examples in prose, speeches, and in poetry. Anaphora not only strengthens the argument or theme, but also helps in creating a sense of unity and progression in the writing. I hope you understood well. See you in next lesson. Until then, goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.